Hello and welcome. This is Ahmed Ali from affiliatemarketingbreakthrough.com coming to you today with another video. And our video today is really important because today we're going to talk about the secret to viral affiliate marketing success, where I'll share with you the secret to generate viral traffic, leads, and income, and that is by leveraging viral affiliate marketing systems. Are you tired of working hard for just a few affiliate sales here and there? Spending hours and hours promoting offers only to see little to no results? I know exactly how that feels because I've been there. When I started affiliate marketing many years ago, I used the old fashioned way, and that is spending countless hours promoting to a small audience or generating very limited traffic. Limited sales generated by my own efforts only. And I was struggling to make even few $100s a month. So, as you see, scaling up felt impossible and the frustration was real. But let me tell you, there is a better way. Introducing viral marketing funnels, the game changer for affiliate marketers. And here's why they are so powerful. Firstly, you're not just relying on your own efforts. This system will leverage viral traffic, meaning other people help you grow your leads and sales, and you can build a huge email list and generate multiple income streams faster than ever before. With viral marketing funnels, I went from struggling to making few sales to generating hundreds of dollars daily. But there's a challenge. Building these viral marketing systems from scratch takes a lot of time, effort, and experience to get them set up properly. And trust me, I've been through it all. The great news? You don't have to go through the same struggle I did. Today, I'm sharing the shortcut with you. Introducing Pro Affiliate Accelerator Bundle, your shortcut to viral profits. Now, this is a very limited offer, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, this bundle includes 10 products designed to help you copy complete done for you viral marketing funnels, monetize them to generate multiple income streams, build viral traffic and massive email list, and promote your primary business on autopilot. That's right. You can take these powerful systems and start leveraging them immediately. I've already done the hard work for you. These viral funnels are ready to go. Imagine having a system that works tirelessly in the background, driving traffic, generating leads, and helping you scale up your business faster than ever before. But here's the catch. This offer is extremely limited. Only those who take action fast will get access to this exclusive bundle. And this is for real. This is not just another fake scarcity. If you leave right now and decided to come back maybe 5 or 6 months from now, this offer will not be there. So don't miss out on this opportunity to skip the struggle and start seeing real results. So for more details about the products included in this bundle and to claim your copy today, click on the first link in the description of this video below. Once you click on that link, it's going to take you to another page where you're going to find another video giving you all the details about this bundle and the huge value that you're going to be getting here and how this is going to help you to boost your affiliate marketing profits. So click on the link in the description and I'll see you on that page.